Guess where we went for lunch today? DQ.
First time ever.
Yeah, happy tastes good. All right, we got the thing that's kind of like a McFlurry. This one's a Blizzard here. Ooh, that looks yummy. Gotta give that a bite. But the real star of the show, we'll show you here in a second.
What flavor you got?
This is Oreo Mocha Fudge.
That's what I got. It tastes yummy.
Mmm.
I
That's
can taste
awesome.
it all.
Mmm. I totally taste the mocha. That is super yummy. And you know what else we learned? We learned they have ice cream cakes. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see about lunch. Here's a grilled chicken sandwich. You know, we've been trying a lot of chicken sandwiches at different places lately. This one does look kind of small. What is it, Leo? You don't eat chicken sandwiches. Do you, son? He always likes to get meow meow when we're trying to eat lunch. And breakfast and dinner. Yeah? Alright, we ordered grilled chicken here.
You got the potato lettuce.
Yep.
Got tomato.
Yep.
And grilled chicken.
Oh, yeah. That looks good. I think it also comes with mayonnaise.
That's between the slider and the burger side.
Yeah, it is, right? Okay. Let's give this a bat. Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm. Not bad.
I think that's some awesome tasting chicken. Way better than McDonald's tasting chicken.
It's super good. DQ, y'all did all right. You got good fries. You got great Blizzard. Thank you. And thanks so much for watching, folks. I'm going to go eat my chicken sandwich. Have a good one. I'm going to feed Leo.
You got anything to say, Leo? Wow.
He just winked. You want to eat? All right, folks. Thanks for watching.